Gonna install K&N 77 series intake and then go for a drive.
3 weeks later.
I do still have to clean off the engine bay there. That's about 3 years of dust. I haven't done it for a while. Okay, first start. Sounds good. The stock intake I just found looked kind of ugly, like that big, ugly intake muffler they have up here. Yeah, we don't want any of that nonsense.
How dare you!
Intake, compression, combustion, exhaust. Intake, compression, combustion, exhaust. Intake, compression, combustion, exhaust.
Looks like I got that undercoating done just in time. Okay, I guess I need new windshield wipers next. Gotta go get some gas. Ice possible. Drive with care. Really? I would never have guessed. One thing I like about this intake already is that it kind of goes along with the exhaust, and that it holds RPMs better. And the throttle response is even more improved than it was already. I will do a fuel economy video on this one, just to see if it made a difference over stock, fuel economy wise. But performance wise, I can already tell there's a little bit of a difference. Throttle response, holds RPMs better.